Hello boys and girls, welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacee. I'm Auntie Stacee. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called A Beautiful Day. It's time to get up, says Mom. What a beautiful day it is today. Good morning, says Nicholas. At breakfast, Dad says, it's a lovely day to have a picnic. Can my friend Jacob come with us? Asks Nicholas. Yes, of course he can come, smiles Dad. Don't forget me. I love picnics, says Donkey. I want to come too, says Dog. Us too, sings the birds. And me, says Monkey. So they all begin walking down to the river to have a picnic. On the way, Nicholas spots a big tree. Let's race to that tree, he shouts. I won, says Donkey. Not fair. You have 4 legs, says Nicholas. Nicholas and his friends play underneath the tree for a while. Look what I can do, says Nicholas. Look at me, says Monkey. Yippee, says Dog. I bet you can't do this, says Jacob. Here's our picnic spot, Dad says when they get to the river. Nicholas and his friends splash around in the water. It's time for lunch, yells Mom. Everyone gathers around the picnic blanket to eat. It's time to go now, Mom says when the sun begins to go down. Nicholas and the animals wave goodbye to Jacob as they head home. It was a beautiful day. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends.